Now, identity function. Now let us see what is identity function. Here the function is defined from one set to itself only. That means domain and codomain are same sets, that is set A and set A. Here set A contains 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Suppose f be a function related from A to A, that means 1 is mapping with 1, 2 is mapping with 2, 3 is mapping with 3. That means every element having its own image. That means f of 1 is equal to 1. So what is the image of 1? 1. F of 2 is equal to 2. Image of 2 is 2. F of 3 is 3. Image of 3 is 3. So in any function f of x is equal to x, that means f image of x is itself, that is x, then the function f maps A to A is said to be identity function on A, and it is denoted by IA, that means identity function on set A. Here domain and codomain are equal, and also codomain and range also equal. Every identity function is bijective, that means it is 1, 1 and on 2. Here different elements having different images, that means 1, 1 function, and also all the elements in codomain are equal to range, codomain equal to range, then this function is said to be onto function. If it is 1, 1 and onto, the function is also bijective. So we can say that every identity function is bijective function. Now let us discuss about inverse function. Here inverse function means, let us say that f maps A to B be a bijective function, then f inverse maps B to A is called inverse function of f. Here if f is bijective function, then f inverse also bijective function. Now let us see the example f maps A to B. Here f is equal to 1 comma C, 2 comma B, 3 comma A. Then what is f inverse? We take domain and codomain exchanges. Here domain A becomes codomain, codomain B becomes domain of f inverse. So f inverse is equal to A comma 3, A comma 3, B comma 2, C comma 1. That means the ordered pairs are exchanges. 1 comma C becomes C comma 1, 2 comma B becomes B comma 2, 3 comma A becomes A comma 3. That means domain of f is codomain of f inverse, or we can say that domain of f inverse is codomain of f. So therefore if f maps A to B is a bijective function, then f inverse maps B to A is called inverse function of f, and it is denoted by f inverse. This is about a inverse function. Now let us discuss about constant function. Here constant function means, what is a constant? The range of the given function is constant only. Suppose in the given example, set A contains 1, 2, 3, set B contains A, B, C. Here f is mapping with A to B, that means 1 is mapping with C, 2 is mapping with C, 3 is mapping with C. Here what we observe, all the elements in set A are mapping with only one element in set B. So that is called constant function only. Here 1 comma C, 2 comma C, 3 comma C are the ordered pairs. Now let us see f of 1 is equal to C. What is the image of 1? C. F of 2 is equal to C. Image of 2 is C. f of 3 is equal to c. Image of 3 is c. That means all the images are same only. Then only we can say that this is a constant function. The symbolic form of constant function is f of x is equal to k, where k is the constant. And also we can say that f of capital A is equal to k constant. That means f of capital A means range. Range is equal to constant. So finally, in a constant function, what is the range? Constant. And the range of constant function is only one element. That element is called constant.